Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check product details and the description of a particular product on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option. After that, you should select a category at this page and then a subcategory. Select a product that you are interested in. Scroll down till you find this product details and description section, and you are going to see every relevant information of that product, such as heel height, whether it contains non-textile parts of animal origin, its lining, main material of the product, package dimensions, the season, brand, model, color, and other important information and aspect of the product. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.